Major pump in stocks and crypto is coming because another major central bank has just cut interest rates. Do you want to know how this affects your crypto portfolio or the stocks that you hold? Because after the Federal Reserve just cut interest rates by 50 basis points, another, I would say the second largest central bank in the world has also just cut their interest rates by another 50 basis points as well. And they went all out with lots of policies, to stimulate the economy. When other countries do this, when the largest, the Federal Reserve, and the second largest central banks in the world start doing this, then we get a major pump in crypto prices. And the number two, second largest central bank in the world, of course, is China, which has the second largest economy in the world, right? And they also impact crypto prices in a huge fashion, right? See, this green line is the year-on-year change of the Chinese credit expansion. And the purple line is change in Bitcoin prices year on year. So, see, they always pop off first, and then you get a big jump in crypto prices. This was the bull market of 2016. And then look at this. Once again, in 2019, it was half a year to a year early to this big run in crypto as well of 2020 bull run. And again, see how they popped off first, the green line, the Chinese credit expansion started again in around end of 2022. And that's when crypto or Bitcoin bottomed at the end of 2022 as well. And now Bitcoin's up 4 to 5x already. So basically what happened was major economies like European Union, and China were all holding off from cutting their interest rates, even though their economies desperately needed it, Because if they cut, and the US interest rates stay high, then basically all the money from Europe and Japan or China then flow into the US dollar, and therefore the US dollar pumps and their own currencies crash, such as the euro would crash and the Chinese yen would crash. So they held off for 2 years, and now they're finally cutting rates. And with these rate cuts, with these liquidity coming, you've got US cutting rates, you've got China cutting rates, and probably printing money soon as well to flood into their economy, EU is doing that, Great Britain's doing that, and also Japan, well, maybe not Japan, that's the only one. So basically all these major central banks around the world are all about to cut interest rates, We're already cutting, and this is looking so bullish for crypto and for some stocks. Yeah, so cryptos could be pumping again, Pablo is bullish, and remember I told you guys a few days ago about this Ego AI coin? And yes, it's had a massive run, 20x. So, you want to know what's happening in the world of finance or crypto stocks? Follow Pablo for more on what's going to happen next.